In the present video, we will discuss the what is operations research. Operations research is a scientific method of decision making that uses mathematical models to find the best possible solution under the given limitations. Let's see this definition with one example. Consider a tiffin center that prepare idli and dosa, and owner wants to maximize daily profit but has limited batter and the cooking time. So owner wants maximum profit but he has to use the limited resources of batter and the cooking time. For prepare a plate idli needs 1 unit of batter, and for a dosa 2 units of batter is required, and total availability of batter is 100 units. Next, in the cooking time point of view, prepare a idli needs 2 minutes and prepare a dosa needs 3 minutes, and total availability of cooking time is 150 minutes. Then profit per idli plate is 20 rupees and profit per dosa plate is the 30 rupees. So we have to find out the optimal number of idli and dosa plates, maximum possible profit, whether any batter or cooking time is left unused. Let's see the solution. Here owner need a maximum profit and utilize the limited resources. So owner goal is maximum profit. So objective is maximum profit. And how he will get the profit? So he will get the profit 20 rupees per plate for the idli and 30 rupees per plate for the dosa. So total profit becomes the 20 into number of plates of idli plus 30 into number of plates of dosa. Let's consider Z equal to the profit and X1 equal to the number of plates of idli and X2 equal to the number of plates of dosa. Then maximum Z equal to 20 X1 plus 30 X2. So next we have to look for the limitations. First limitation is the batter availability. So here total availability of batter is 100 units. So owner has to prepare the number of plates of idli and dosa within the use of the 100 units of batter only. And idli needs the 1 unit of batter and dosa needs the 2 units of batter. So x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to the 100. Here less than or equal to symbol represents the, so owner has to use the maximum batter is up to 100 units only. So next we have to look for the another limitation, that is the cooking time point of view. Here total availability cooking time is the 150 minutes and time required for the idli is 2 minutes and time required for the dosa is 3 minutes. Then 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to the 150. So now we have to write down this data in the form of the equations, that is maximum Z equal to 20x1 plus 30x2 and subjected to constraint x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to the 100, 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to the 150 and x1 x2 greater than or equal to the 0. So now we have to find the solution by applying the mathematical model. Then we will get the solution is owner has to prepare the 50 idli plates and 25 dosa plates per day to earn the maximum profit without wasting the batter or the cooking time. So now we have to observe the definition of the operations research. So here we have to find out a solution that is the maximum profit under the limitations, that is the batter availability and the cooking time, by applying the mathematical model. So this is the operations research, and thank you.